How do I edit my profile? Personalize your Panbit experience with a profile that reflects you. 2 ways to do this. Option 1. Tap your profile icon in the home page of the app. Click on the editing icon right on your picture. Update your details. Upload a fun profile picture or avatar. Edit your name. Edit your phone number. Change your accountability partner email in the area that says Notifications Receiver Email. Do not worry, we send the notifications to both the main user and the accountability partner. Tap Save. Your changes will appear across the app. Option 2. First, click on the settings icon at the top right of the app. Second, go to Edit Profile. Third, update your details. And finally, tap Save. Now you are done editing your profile in Panbit.